Understanding work overtime, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, work overtime. This is a common term you'll hear in the workplace, and it's important to understand what it means and how it's used. So, let's dive in. The phrase, work overtime, refers to the time that an employee works beyond their regular working hours. In many jobs, there is a set number of hours that you are expected to work each day or week. When you work overtime, you are working more than these expected hours. It's often associated with extra pay, but that can vary depending on the job or country. Overtime can occur for several reasons. Sometimes, there is more work than can be completed during regular hours. In other cases, an urgent project might require additional hours to meet a deadline. There are also jobs where overtime is a regular occurrence due to the nature of the work, such as in healthcare or law enforcement. In many places, there are laws that regulate overtime pay. Typically, employees receive higher wages, often called time and a half, or double time, for the hours worked overtime. For example, if you earn $20 an hour normally, you might earn $30 an hour for overtime work. However, the specifics can vary greatly, so it's important to understand the policies of your own workplace. Working overtime can have both benefits and drawbacks. On the plus side, it can mean extra income and can be a sign of dedication to your job. On the downside, it can lead to burnout and can affect your work-life balance. It's important to weigh these factors when deciding whether to work overtime. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to work overtime. Whether you're considering a job that requires it, or you're just looking to expand your English vocabulary, it's a valuable phrase to know. Remember, while overtime can be beneficial, it's also important to maintain a healthy balance. Until next time, take care and happy learning.